Updating your payment information on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Payment Information section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Provide the new payment information such as your bank account number or credit card details. Make sure to double check for accuracy before submitting. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date with Capital One. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.